In the last video, we looked at this 12-inch Frigid fan, and at the end of the video, I teased that we would be looking at another Frigid fan in the very near future. So here it is. This is the Big Mama, the 16-inch Frigid double oscillation fan. Just like the 12-inch version. Noticing that the badge on this one doesn't have the bling of the 12-inch badge. This one has these studs around the outside of it. This one does not. Look from the side. I hope everybody can hear my dog snoring upstairs. That is crazy. Here's the back. This has the same motor housing as the 12-inch fan does too. They both have the Sanyo motor housing. This one has the model number sticker on the back of it. On this one, it's on the bottom. I have to lay this down gently. So this one is model OSH-163-9, and the draw is 0.9 amps, which is a pretty big jump from the 12-inch fan. This one was 0.35, so that's a pretty big jump for just a 4-inch blade difference. This one was also made in Japan, presumably by Sanyo. I would venture to guess that this has, if not an identical motor to the Lasko Galaxy fans from the same time period, the late 70s, then it's probably very similar. I think it's the same motor, but that'll make for an interesting comparison video sometime in the future. This one also has the grounded plug with the 10-foot cord, just like the 12-inch one. This one has an extra sticker on the base. Something about that. It looks like it had some other stickers on it too at one time. Not sure what those would have been, but this one says, "Danger, safe operation requires that this device be grounded prior to and during use." There was something else that I noticed on the base. Not sure if you can see this or not, but it says F-35 scratched into the base there. I'm not sure what that would have been for. No idea. Part of the reason why I say that this probably has the same motor as the Lasko Galaxy fans, and I guess the Sanyo fans. I mean, they're in a way they're all one and the same from the 70s. Anyway, this one sounds just like one of those Galaxy fans. It has the same kind of tone, that high pitch whirring sound, and it's also an extremely powerful fan. Very stout, very powerful, moves a ton of air. Get out of the wind stream a little bit here, and we'll start it on high speed. Seems to have pretty good blade balance. I have not cleaned or oiled this fan yet. This is pretty much how it is, the way that I got it. It just showed up in the mail today. Arrived on the front porch this afternoon. Speed now. I'm noticing the plastic on the 16-inch fan seems to have fared a little better than the 12-inch. It's not quite as yellowed as the other one. This thing's really powerful even on low speed. Pull it out a little bit here so we can run the oscillation. It does have the double oscillation, which is basically like the Panasonic 5-way oscillation. There's a little bit of a blade rattle too when it runs on the oscillation, just on the low speed. My 16-inch Galaxy fan does the same thing. Try to get rid of this paper floating around behind me back here. I think I made it worse. Anyway. Let's see if the 5-way or the double oscillation works. It should go all the way back to that side. Seems to work pretty good there. Should go all the way back the other way. There we go. All right, well that works pretty good, I think. Try to get it back to center now. 2 clicks back the other way. Yeah, that should be center. The Panasonic fans used to say double oscillation on them, and then at some point they changed it to 5-way oscillation. So I'm not sure if Frigid bought the rights to use the double oscillation name, or if that was, I'm not sure. I'm not really sure how that works. If there were trademarks or not. Go back to 2. This fan really cranks out the air. It is freaking frigid. It's kind of chilly down here. Every time it swings back and it blasts me with that air, it's cold. Alright, let's see what the spin down is like. Still spinning. I would doubt that this fan has ever been cleaned or oiled or anything. So this is pretty surprising, the spin down. Awesome. I'm still going to service the fan. I had to assemble it when it arrived, and I did notice that the motor was pretty dirty and the motor shaft was a little rusty, so it definitely does need to be cleaned up and oiled, but seems to be in fantastic operating condition. Such great fans. Really glad that I was able to find this one. They're pretty hard to find. I have seen a few videos on these though, on the YouTubes, so I know that they're out there. They just don't pop up too often. Not like the Galaxy fans. Those things are going to be around forever. The late 70s Blue Blade Galaxy fans, those are still everywhere, all over the place. Went over to my wife's aunt and uncle's house over Christmas, and they had one on their spare bedroom floor. I doubt that thing has ever been oiled or anything. But yeah, the Galaxy fans are still a dime a dozen, I think. But the Frigid branded Sanyos, pretty tough to find. Really nice looking fans though. Commercial grade, grounded plugs, 10-foot cords, double oscillation, stout, powerful motors. Both of these fans have excellent blade balance. There's no shaking or vibrations or anything happening. Very good, high quality units. Yeah, not much else to say about it. They're just awesome fans. Thank you for watching.